morning, folks. This is Naeem Aslam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily fundamental video analysis. What we're looking at in terms of our markets is another leg lower for the European markets, and that's based on two different factors today. Number one, I'm sure that you guys are very much familiar of, and that is the disappointing stimulus package, which is still currently in negotiation between House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and US Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin. Yesterday, both of them had a quite a long conversation around this, but the negotiations are moving forward, but very slowly. Investors know now that the possibility of having another stimulus package before the US election the possibility is very slim for that happening, and because of that we're seeing this increased sell-off. Now, speaking of the stock market breadth, nearly 60% of the stocks for the S&P 500 index are only trading above the 200-day moving average. As for the Dow Jones Index, that ratio is 65. Now, folks, it is important for me to mention that both of these ratios, for the Dow Jones and for the S&P, they were well above the 70%. Over the last 3 days, we have seen this decrease of nearly 10% in terms of a stock market breadth momentum for the Dow Jones and for the S&P 500 index. So this is really making investors a bit cautious. Also, on the daily chart, as you can see for the S&P 500 index and also for the Dow Jones Index, both of them are very much close to their 50-day moving average. Of course, the hope is that perhaps this is where bargain hunters will step in and will push the markets higher. To finish off, Bitcoin prices exploding. It made a yearly high yesterday. More highs are still on the cards. That's all for today. See you guys next time.